with this low battery, you're gonna see that I'm pulling up to a stop here, but the engine won't kill.
My concern was that started me thinking about the book was generated by...
Even though I have been driving around for about 20 minutes.
This vehicle intelligently cross-checks battery voltage before killing the engine when brought to a stop. If too low, it will disable the auto stop start feature. This represents a sign of a depleted battery.
That's already falling.
12.16, yeah it is.
12.68 on our ghetto battery. That's from my van, rest in peace. 12.85, fresh.
So fresh.
We'll attach jumper cables from the old van battery to the terminal connectors on the Cadillac. This will maintain power to the vehicle while swapping out the battery.
So what we gotta do is make sure that we're able to take it off and keep the clamps on.
Right.
So now if we go like this and this.
12.2.
So it's kind of like the in-between of
yeah,
both
it's
of
like
them.
this one's like charging the other one kind of a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. So this thing just pulls up.
For those working along, the only socket you'll need is a 10mm unless otherwise mentioned.
Yeah, there you go. There, that did it.
Okay. That one, yeah, just come off. There we go.
Now we don't definitely want this to come loose.
Nope, because that's our lifeline.
With only the external battery now connected, this should still be enough to sustain the vehicle's memory.
Something. 9 volts?
13mm.
13mm. I think it has to go that way. It's light, you know.
Got it.
I want to show you this clamp inside our battery compartment, which secures the battery's lower lip.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Baby.
Get out of there.
There we go. Okay. She's in, and now she's in.
There you go.
Yep. Get it done.
Down. Get out of the way.
So now you can go down in there.
Well, that kind of goes on a lot easier.
Snapped right in. Cool. Goes under, does it?
Yeah. This thing lifts up.
And then the bolt goes like that.
Yep.
.75, that's quite a bit better.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still actually a compromise between that battery and this battery.
It is, yeah.
So if we take off these things, it'll probably go up, won't it?
It should. You want to film it while as
Yeah.
I'm taking them off?
Yeah.
Let's just take off one. Went up by
0.01
volts.
Well, okay.
As we put this project back together, if you found this video helpful or would like to support the channel, please check out my beautiful novel, Discarded Horse Feathers, available at all major online retailers.
kept the time, kept the date, kept the song. Not bad.
Nice.
Success story.
This is why you contact your dealer. Cool. I want my song to start right where I left off. Please keep the battery connected.
I wonder if they do that normally. They probably do. Any idiot can probably figure this out. Uh-oh.
What?